Hey, my name is Jan.
My name is Synne. We are looking forward to coming to Sofia, and we will do a workshop that we have called
Poetry in Motion.
Yes, and it's about finding the simple poetic language and metaphors in playback. We're going to work with the words,
of course. Or poetry, that's another way of putting it. Yeah.
We're going to work with movement.
Yeah. That can look like dance sometimes even. Yeah.
And we are, of course, going to work with sounds.
Yeah, and I prefer to call myself a soundscaper instead of a musician.
And you're going to learn one form, a short form that we love to do, which is called the poet, dancer and musician.
And we learned it many, many years ago, and it's one of our favorite short forms. It's a universal playback too.
Hope to see you there.